All right, last Christmas somebody gave me this kit that you put together. It's all made out of wood. This one is a film projector. Looks like it's a bit jammed up. I haven't used it in a while, but there we go. Anyway, it's a film projector, and I showed that in a video last year. And it's made by a company called ROKR, ROKR. And this year, I was given another present. One person bought me, I don't want to dump this on the ground. Somebody gave me this, and I just got it together this morning, and it is a marble run, and it's very cool. So these kits are all made out of wood. They're laser trimmed, no glue required. They're all friction fit things. Give you a different angle on this one. Yeah, they're very cool. This one has a cute little switch at the top here, where there's a little teeter-totter here, and some of the times the marbles will come up and they'll go one way, but then it'll set the teeter-totter the other way, so the next time every other time it'll take a different path. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, that's what I spent after Christmas putting together. It's really cool. I recommend them highly. They're fun for people who like to just do things with their hands, put things together, kits. Takes many hours to put one of these together. This one had about 250 parts, and so let me show you the box that one came in. Where did I put the box? Here it is. So if you have somebody on your good list, this one is called the Marble Parkour, and this one again is made by ROKR. Marble Run LG 501, and yeah, this one is 254 pieces, and it's interesting. On the front it says running balls physics, and it actually gives some physics formulas here. G equals mg, m equals p over pi. Anyway, I don't know what they put those in there, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's fun. I like it. I did get a second present from somebody else. I haven't put it together yet, and I'm kind of putting it off because it looks like it really, it's the granddaddy of all of their kits. It's this one here. It's a locomotive. I think you can get the reflection off of it, but it's a wooden locomotive, and it's wind up. It has a spring in it, and you wind it up and it actually goes, and it's got a bazillion moving parts in it. Yeah, oh, there we go. That's a better picture of it. So this is the locomotive kit, the LK701. Self-assembly, no batteries, no glue, mechanical laser kitting. They don't give any physics formulas on this one. This one has a lot of parts in it, though. This one has 350 pieces, so 100 more pieces in this one than the other one. So yeah, that'll keep me busy. Good projects for the winter time. Can't go outside, and give you something to do. Anyway, thought I'd show those. I think it would appeal to the people who watch my channel.